Hey y'all, it's your girl Chi-Town. Today we're visiting Hairville with an installation video from the Nicole and Tulip store on Amazon. This is the first time that I received a pair of earrings with one of the wigs. Look at this. I don't really like the part up here. Like you see? Yeah. There's no way to do like, let's see what it looks like on the side.
I want mine at the side because when it's in the center, it draws more attention.
Side is definitely better than the middle.
It's pretty, it just doesn't look natural.
Yeah.
It's like pretty though.
Cause this right here straight up looks
Heavy honey.
hey, but it's for honest reviews. It's not bad, but if you don't want somebody to know you got a wig on, this ain't the wig for you. I'm leaving it. All of this, I'm not cutting it out the video. I don't like this right here. It's pretty for somebody. Color is nice. I just kind of wish the parting space was a little different. Yeah. Thanks for watching. So, I'm coming back because I may wear this with a hat. You know, it's getting cold. It's winter time. It's long, so to keep me warm. The hat will definitely cover this part. I may post pictures on my Instagram with hat on or something. I'm gonna show y'all the earrings. The earrings look really pretty. The earrings are nice. I'll put it back on with the earrings. That's different. This is the first company that I've had send earrings with. Yeah, the middle part's not gonna cut it at all. I'll have to just turn that to the side like that. Something like that. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you next time.